Hi guys, Jacqueline Hype here. Hope that you are all well and staying safe during this pandemic. Today I bring you Astonishing Vault Tackle pack opening, and when I say pack opening I mean advent calendar pack opening. So as it is the third today, I'll be opening 3 packs, and then every day I'll be opening up 1 pack. Hope you all enjoy. Right guys, I have 3 packs here. Now I know that it's just 1 from the back and then it's only 5 cards per pack, so let's get into this. Tell you what, I might get some scissors because these are a bit more flimsy in comparison to the English edition. Okay, my Japanese isn't good, so I may have to guess some of these Pokemon. Anyway, let's go. Trainer, Eevee, not 100% sure. I think that's Nuzleaf, and we've got Charmeleon. Okay, on to the next pack. I really like the artwork on the back of these in comparison to the English edition. Looks really, really nice and smart. Anyway, let's go. Water energy, but it's not really a water energy. I think it's a double water energy. Correct me if I'm wrong. Sable. Oh, I can't remember the name. Gonna kick myself. Nope, not too sure. Okay, that's what we got for that one. And the last pack, the third and final pack of today's video. Let's hope for something good. Final pack luck. I think that's Ferrothorn. Voltorb. I think it's Milcery. I think. I can't remember 100%. And we have a... not too sure on that Pokemon, but it's the same as the last pack and it's not good. Anyways guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and comment. I really appreciate it. I will follow back some subscribers as well. Just put your comment in to let me know that you've subscribed. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow.